Hi, the future of digital transformation is Salesforce. Wanna be a part of it? I am Kamran Ali Khan, the head of research and academics at AceAim's Australia. We at AceAim are offering you a comprehensive Salesforce training program through our virtual classroom. Why Salesforce? 4.2 million new jobs by the year 2025. Average starting salaries of a Salesforce professional range between $80,000 to $150,000. One of the most top-notch professions accepted globally. But the problem is that the Salesforce trainings are usually very expensive and for a very short duration. This is where AceAim comes in. We offer instructor-led live interactive training sessions, online assessments, hands-on experience on live projects, and certification exam preparations. All packaged in a fit-paced training program that doesn't make you drink from a fire hose. To learn more and to enroll in our program, join our webinar by clicking on the register button below.